I do have another garden extension already in the works for next year.
I'm curious because I do the same thing as I build these beds and I love all of them, but I am starting to feel the weight of what I've committed to with a lot of them. I'm wondering if you feel any weight on you from all of the different gardens or if you're still feeling like, "Nope, I got this. I'm good."
Do feel the weight.
Mhm.
I have this sick urge to keep like a great idea comes along. I'm like, I have to do that because like this is such a good improvement, and that's why I do it. No, I absolutely feel overwhelmed by it, and I guarantee you, about halfway through that project, I'll go, "Why did I think this was a good idea? This is what I do."
This is how we are geared. I'm older than both of you, and there will be a time when small is good.
Oh, I believe it. Should we ever move, I will never do this again. I would never start over at an enormous scale. That said, I've just sort of resigned myself to if we ever leave this house, I just will never drive by it again. I just will make it a point to never look at it again because I know it would be absolutely soul crushing because I know it's not going to be a good scene.
Yeah, it's an existential thing, isn't it? Like, what's
Mhm.
the point of doing all this work if you know that it's going to be bulldozed or it's going to be put down to turf in the future? And you really have to come to terms with, I'm doing this because this is creative energy, this is learning, this is in the here and now, it's joy to other people. Sometimes it's joy to me. No, I'm kidding. It's all those things it's all about the present and the excitement of the future because, boy, it really is gonna probably be put to turf.
No doubt gardens are temporary. They are our joy.